Today here at AutoWorld of Conway, we'll be previewing an awesome little street rod that's ready to be taken to the next level. All the hard work's been done. So we'll take a moment or two, walk around, view its condition, so that way you can understand exactly what to expect that will show up in your driveway. It's a pretty unique car. 3940 Buick, the same body style. And this one, full on street rod. We'll discuss what that means on this car right now. So under the hood here, you'll find a 396 4-barrel, power steering, power disc brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes, ice cold air conditioning, aluminum radiator, all kinds of goodies. And this car actually even has air ride, only up front, so it's up at its highest position now. And we'll lower it down so that way you can see its full travel. This color, Chevrolet color, popular in the early 2000s, and it's still quite brilliant. The sun's out just a little bit, and you can really see the metallic. Front bumper has been removed. You see the turn signals down there low and up high. Those might be running lights actually. The turn signals up here. So the Buick 8 is long gone. This car has been painted right at 12 years. It still looks pretty good. Had a couple little marks here and there. The 15-inch American Racing wheels. The body is very straight, as evidenced here. A couple little spots down here low I just want you to be aware of. Right there. And these running boards, those would have had rubber, if I'm not mistaken, a rubber covering. Obviously that's no longer in place. You might opt for a different treatment. Some people rhino line, some go back with the rubber again. See the disc brakes on the back. Some big meats in the back here. 235, 75, 15s. They fill that wheel well fully. Dual exhaust, and we'll listen to her music in just a moment. And on the body, again, just a little spot right there. And I want to be fully transparent so that way you know exactly what to expect. I guess if it would help, I had the keys. Door poppers. This interior is not completely finished, and I believe that's the way that we're going to have to sell it. This car has been completely rewired. Everything is done mechanically. Tilt wheel, dolphin gauges, air conditioning, everything is done except for carpet and then whatever interior you choose. All the panels have been made, the door panels, kick panels, as you see there. Back seat delete. And those wooden panels are above the doors, or above the rear windows, excuse me. You have a headliner yet to do. This guy became ill, unfortunately, and was unable to finish this car. That's how we were able to acquire it, along with a 62 Impala Super Sport. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to fire it up, because I can't hold the hood at the same time. And we'll do the walk around, and we'll drive it as well. So 525 miles on the build. Okay, all the gauges function. This temperature gauge here has actually been replaced over here. And here's your air conditioning. Here's bogged down, so the AC compressor coming on. You have vents up here. You have heat as well. Okay, two switches here. One for the compressor for the air ride, and this is for the cooling fan switch. So we'll turn that on. There. Let's go outside. Big block, electronic ignition, again, power steering, power disc brakes, the like powder coated intake, holley 4-barrel, and it's compressor with the R134 chrome alternator. You can see it down there. We have headers. Got 500 miles on it. Hydraulic lifter. Yeah, pretty clean little car. Again, all this has been finished but unfinished. The wood panels have been constructed. In case your door poppers stop working, these release cables on both sides. S10 spare tire. Next is I'm going to go inside and let the air ride down. So we can see. good people.